Hi friends! Today we are going to talk about greater than, less than, and equal to. This is lesson 16A, and you should have it in one of your packets. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Here is a sheet. You don't have this sheet, but we are going to talk about it and go over it. And this should be able to help you work on the papers you do have that go with greater than, less than, and equal to. So the first thing we're going to talk about is greater than. This sign symbol right here means greater than. And greater than is the bigger number. Okay, so let's look at our example. It says Emily has 8 apples and Chris has 4 apples. 8 is bigger than 4. 8 is greater than 4. And that's how we show it. 8 is greater than 4. I have these really cool looking alligators. I like to think of greater than and less than as alligator mouse. And my alligator friends always want to eat the biggest number. So in this case, my alligator would want to eat my 8, right? Because 8 is bigger than 4. Okay. The next one we have here is right here. This symbol means less than or the smaller number. So I have Emily has 3 footballs and Chris has 7 footballs. 3 is smaller than 7. 3 is less than 7, right? So we're going to do 3 is less than 7. Sorry for the paper, learning how to use this document camera. Again, I have an alligator. Do you see how he's facing the other way this time? This is the less than sign, but he still is eating the 7, right? He's eating the biggest number. He wants to be very, very full. Okay? So I have my 2 alligators. I have the greater than, which is this one, and I have the less than, which is this alligator mouth. Okay? Let's talk about the last example here. Equals means equal to, means that they're the same number. So if Emily has, if Emily has 6 leaves and Chris has 6 leaves, 6 is the same as 6. 6 is equal to 6. So we use 6 equals 6. I also have one of those too. And equal sign. Okay, let's do 2 practice ones. You should have a sheet that looks something like so. Okay, yours is going to have color on it. Mine does not because I did not print it with color. That is okay. So I have Emily sees 42 watering cans and Chris sees 30 watering cans. Those are big numbers, but we have 40, 42, and 30. Which one do you think is the bigger number? If you said 42, great job. That's the right answer. Now, remember, my alligator mouth wants to eat the biggest number. He wants to be so, so full. So which way am I going to point my alligator mouth? Am I going to use this one right here or this one right here? What do you think? We're going to use greater than or less than? Remember, we want to eat him, so we are going to use the greater than symbol because 42 is greater than 30. right? Great job, you guys. Let's do one more practice one together, and I will let you finish on your own, okay? Next, I have Emily has 25 pumpkins, and Chris has 25 pumpkins. I have 25 and 25. Is one bigger than the other? No. Are they the same number? They absolutely are the same number. So what do we put there? Remember, we have our options at the top of our page. We can use greater than, less than, or equal to. Which one do we use if 25 and 25 are the same number? We use an equal sign. So you're just going to two lines, one over top of the other. And that is how you do greater than, less than, and equal to. I hope this makes sense. It's kind of confusing and will probably take a little bit more practice, but here is just a way to get started. And if you have more questions, you can reach out to Miss B, okay? Thanks, guys. Have a great night.